I feel so happy today because I got this workshop and I never got this workshop before. And now I know my job, I know myself better than before, and then now I know who am I. What I got from these 2 days is that it helped me to know what must I prepare for my future, my work, and it helped me to manage myself, manage my money, manage my time, and it also helped me to be more confident.
And I also got to know about my future plans and like what do I want to be when I grow up.
Di sekitar itu bantuin gue tuh buat dapet kuliahan gue sepotensi gue.
Jadi mulai sekarang aku harus merencanakan apa yang aku harus lakukan. Jadi selama 2 hari ini saya mendapat banyak inspirasi dan motivasi untuk masa depan saya. So talking about this workshop, I feel so happy and grateful to be in this workshop because to be honest, I'm so afraid of my future. I'm afraid of failure. I'm afraid who am I going to be on my future. So this workshop is pretty helpful for me.
From this workshop, I learned about myself and also my opportunities. So I learned and I also learned about my future. So I need to get ready for my future.
Jadi di seminar ini 2 hari itu saya mempelajari untuk mengatur masa depan, mengembangkan potensi diri sendiri.